In this today's video where we'll be discussing the benefits of mindfulness and meditation and tips for getting started with these practices. If you're someone who's looking to reduce stress, anxiety, or depression, then mindfulness and meditation can be excellent tools to add to your toolkit. Let's take a moment to understand what mindfulness and meditation are. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, and meditation is a broader term that refers to various practices that help you achieve a calm and focused state of mind. Both mindfulness and meditation are excellent tools for reducing stress, improving focus, and enhancing well-being. So let's start the tips section-wise. Section 1. Tips for getting started with mindfulness and meditation. Now that we have a basic understanding of mindfulness and meditation, tip number 1: start small and be consistent. The key to getting started with mindfulness and meditation is to start small and be consistent. Don't try to meditate for an hour on your first. Instead, start with just 5 or 10 minutes and gradually increase the time. As you become more comfortable with the practice, the key is to be consistent and make meditation a regular part of your routine. Tip 2. Find a comfortable place to meditate. It's essential to find a comfortable place to meditate. Choose a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. You could sit on a cushion or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Just make sure you're in a relaxed and comfortable position. Tip 3. Focus on your breath. One of the simplest and most effective meditation techniques is to focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. As you breathe, focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your. Tip 4. Use guided meditations. If you're struggling to get started with meditation, try using guided meditations. There are many FS and online resources that offer guided meditations for free. Guided meditations can be an excellent way to get started as they provide structure and guidance, which can help you stay focused. Section 2. Recommended practices and resource. Now that we've discussed some tips for getting started with mindfulness and meditation, practice number 1: mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is an excellent practice for beginners. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes and focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine that you're breathing in calm and relaxation. As you exhale, imagine that you're breathing out stress and tension. Practice number 2: body scan meditation. Body scan meditation is a practice that involves focusing on different parts of your body, one by, and noticing any sensations or feelings. Lie down on your back, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your toe. Focus on any sensations you feel in your toes, and then gradually move your attention up your body, focusing on each body part. In turn, practice number 5: mindfulness practices. Here are some simple mindfulness practices you can incorporate into your daily. Eating mindfully. Take time to fully savor and appreciate your food, paying attention to the taste, texture, and smell. Walking mindfully. Take a few moments to focus on each step as you walk, noticing the sensations in your feet and legs. So let's take a quick look on the resources. Resource number 1: Headspace. Headspace is a popular meditation app that offers guided meditations and other mindfulness practices. The app is available for iOS and Android and offers a free trial resource. Number 2: Insight Time or Insight Timer is a free meditation app that offers a wide range of guided meditations, including ones for beginners. The app is available for iOS and Android. So at the end, thank you for watching this video on tips for getting started with mindfulness and meditation. Remember, mindfulness and meditation are practices that can help you reduce stress, improve mental health, and cultivate a greater sense of well-being. Start small, be patient, and practice regularly, and you'll be on your way to a more mindful and present. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you learned some things, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Finally, be sure to check out our other videos for more great content, and we'll see you in the next one.